Welcome to Trade with Rob, brought to you by WealthBuildersHQ.com. This update is for Wednesday, July 9th, 2025. Hope you're having a great day. Hope it has been a great trading day for you. As we get started, keep in mind everything we look at is for education. Nothing's meant to be advice or recommendations. If you find something you like, anything, make sure it fits your own personal risk profile and risk tolerance. All right. So with that, if you find something that you do like, folks, make sure that you follow along on the various social platforms we have out there. We're putting content out every single day. You don't want to miss out on what's happening in the market right now. So with that, I want to look at yesterday, or the last updates candidate, which was Apple. We did that for the 3rd of July, right pre-holiday. And we got a quick little bounce there on, it was Thursday. So if we go and look at a 5-minute candle, here it is. So we closed right here. This is the 2nd. Okay, July 2nd. We closed right up here, and we gapped down and ran and closed right at that 5-minute line on that's our fib line, and we bounced. We came up off of there, and that's where our entry took place, right? So what a perfect setup. So on Apple, and we didn't get a big move, by the way, right? We didn't get a big move to the upside. On Apple, we got in at 213, we got out at 214, we're up $72. What are you going to do? In hindsight, it was not a trade I should have taken at all. Why? It was a half a day. We were closed at 1 o'clock. It was too short of a day. It didn't give me a full opportunity to take profit. There were less traders out there, lower volume happening. Shouldn't have taken it, so I'm glad it worked out in our favor for that one. All right, so with that, let's move this out of the way. Let's go ahead and jump into the S&P 500, and let's talk about that. So we've got now about a half hour left, about 30 minutes left till we close, so we are going to see some changes in our positioning. Shouldn't see anything drastic. I have other commitments this afternoon, so I wanted to get this out to you, though, so I want to make sure that I got it done. So here we are. All right. So on the S&P 500, we're in a bullish bias rank of 3. We're kind of closing or near this. We're not near a fib line, whether it be resistance or support. We're really not near anything. This is our all-time high, which was on the 3rd. We're just happy with the 4th coming up. A little bit of pullback. I'd love to see the bounce off of this. I've been calling for this, asking or looking for maybe 2 or 3 day move to the downside. Let the fib line and the moving average have a confluence there, which we do now. And if we can get a bounce off there, it's just our next leg is a stronger leg up. All right. So 3 candidates for today is APP. Let's bring that out so we can see the entire Fibonacci. There it is. Now we're going to bring it back in. I'm going to take this line off. We don't need that. I'm going to bring it back in right now, and let's see which way we want it to go. So we've been in a sideways, funky, yucky, ugly type thing here. Nothing crazy that excites me for sure. I like the downside better on this one. Move down, pull back up towards the 345.5 and fail. And it looks like 303. Actually, that's not a true statement. We are going to need to split that level in half, I believe. Let me see something here. Yes, we are going to need to split it in half. I don't have a, let's see, 3 to 45 is 42. I can only go to 38. Yeah, so we've got to split that in half. So what we're going to do is Rob, wait, split it in half. What are you talking about? Here's the thing. If you go over to tradinglikeaboss.com and you look for the free Fibonacci, it's all our free resources are on that page. You look for the free Fibonacci training. In there, there's a 3-part series. You get 20 minutes each day. It's an hour long. And it'll show you how this works, why we apply it, and so forth. You can download that right from there. All right. So let's see. 45, 55, 65, 75, 33. We're okay on the upside. We don't need to worry about that. All right. So we're good. So now my downside move, I'm still going to grab the red pen. I like the downside first. Give me a small move down, a retest, and a fail. So much more realistic opportunity on this. I'm going to look to take the trade here with my stop somewhere on the other side of that 345.57. If support's at 324.5, my target's about 326, 326.5, somewhere around there. So we're looking to buy put options. If it does make the move to the upside, give me a small move up, a pullback, and a bounce. These are all intraday moves we're looking for. Come off of here, take the entry, stop just down below support. If resistance is at 380, my target here is going to be 378. Maybe 377 even on this setup, okay, for our target. All right, so that is one that is done. CVNA, which is Carvana, is our next one. I like the upside better on this one. Why? Because the moving average is a little bit closer than I'd like it to be on this. So I definitely prefer the upside move here. So let's try that one more time. Let's get up there and get out of the way. And let's do this. Blue. Move up. Retest. Bounce. Doesn't have to hit the 351.43. Doesn't have to get all the way down there. Just get near it. Take the entry here. The stop's on the other side. If resistance is at 379, 377-ish is going to be my target. It could be 376 or anywhere in there. 377.5, whatever works for you. It is your trade. Right? To the downside, we're going to focus on that we're going to call it 340. On that 340 level is going to be our support. So my target's going to be 342. So we're getting in at 350. I've got about $7 or $8 move on the stock. Move down, retest, fail. So quick out. But, I mean, this stock moves $14 a day, 13.5 a day. So we've got a lot of opportunity there. And lastly is MasterCard. The big MA, and you'll see a trade we did there in another program called Power Option Plays. Again, check out the social media platforms. You see those types of trades come across there all the time. So we're closing right near that 559 half level. I like this one better to the upside, personally, but I'll take the down, not a problem. It's just the way the moving averages are aligning. Small move up, retest, bounce. Take the trade off of the bounce. We're going to put our stop somewhere down below. Right? If resistance is at 574, my target's going to be about 571 on the upside. For the downside, break down below, retest and fail. Take the trade there, stop on the other side of the 559 half. If support's at 541 and a half, probably 545 is going to be my target. 544 and a half, that's okay. Whatever works best for you, I'm fine with. Okay? And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Make it a profitable day. Stay focused on the quest to becoming a great trader. Keep crushing it. And remember, you're just one trade away. Take care, and I will see you at our next update. Bye for now.